Friends who like fried chicken must save this recipe, as this is one of the best fried chicken I've ever had. Once you try this spice fried chicken, you will miss it all the time. Maggi brand Ayam Percik seasoning powder. The marinated chicken pieces can be roasted in the oven or air fried. Cut open the package, pour into the chicken pieces and marinate overnight in the refrigerator. Next day, remove chicken from refrigerator. Chicken is well marinated and ready to cook. Mix chicken with cooking oil. Firstly, air fried chicken at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Flip chicken after frying for 10 minutes. Second, air fried at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Golden brown herbs chicken ayam percik is done. Smells so good. Fried chicken powder or flour is not required for this recipe. We will get this result with only marinated with seasoning powder. The aromatic, rich, and delicious spice fried chicken is ready. Give it a try if you like fried chicken. It tastes amazing. This is not commercial advertising, yeah. I am just sharing delicious food I sincerely love. The fried chicken has a strong flavor of spices, and it tastes fragrant and slightly sweet, which is really great. YouTube, friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are thousands of delicious recipes in my channel. If you love cooking, do follow me now, so you may visit my channel anytime to find inspiration for your cooking. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Ayam percik. Ayam percik is a traditional Malay specialty that originated from the state of Kelantan. Percik literally translates as splash, but it also means splatter or baste. It is a Malaysian grilled or roasted chicken marinated in flavorful spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander, along with lemongrass, coconut milk, and tamarind. As the chicken is roasted, the marinade caramelizes on the meat, lending a delicious coating that will blow your mind. I cooked biryani rice to eat with spiced fried chicken with and hard-boiled eggs, and are really delicious and very satisfying. Haha! Nasi biryani. Nasi biryani is a rice-based dish prepared with Indian spices, rice, vegetables, eggs, and usually some type of meat. Its popularity can be attributed to its aromatic flavors and distinctively rich taste. I'll share nasi biryani recipe tomorrow. Don't miss it, yeah. With an air fryer, you can enjoy I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.